Hey guys, it's Cassie. In today's video, before I get into what we're doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a new video when I upload. So today we're going to be doing makeup on myself because this is the first time that I'm doing it. And I got this for Christmas and I never used it, so I'm really scared to do it because I don't know anything about makeup. Okay, so first we have some silver glitter coat, rose gold glitter top coat, gold glitter top coat, copper glitter top coat, and top brown powder, medium brown brow powder, dark brown brow powder, and brow wax. So here it is. Don't spill. And I'm not sure what this is for. I feel like that's for lip gloss, so that might be for something else. I don't know. Guys, I don't know anything about makeup. No, I think that's like mascara or something. And here we have all the different kinds of blush. I have Champagne highlighter, gold highlighter, shimmer rose blush. I know I said the first one wrong, maybe. Shimmer coral brush, matte nude pink blush, matte pink blush, matte bronzer, shimmer bronzer, yellow setting powder, and I can't really read, translucent setting powder. Here it is. I think this is blush, so I'm going to put some on me. I'm going to use, maybe I'll use the matte pink blush, which is this one right here. Hope you guys can see that one right there, this one. Okay, so I'm gonna dip it in, get it around there, try and get it on my brush and put it on me. And I get a lot so I can see it really well. So let's do that. Okay, look at the brush, it's like pretty. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more to this side, and we're gonna add some to this side. I'm not a makeup professional, guys, so yes, I'm not at all. But we're trying something new today, and like you can kind of see it. Like I could see it from here. We're gonna add a bit of this color to it, and we're just gonna put that on me. Okay, I'm done with the blush. I added some shimmer coral to it. So here's my makeover. Wait a second, let me just put this back in. I hope you guys can see my blush makeover. Maybe you can, I think so. And now, I don't know what this is. Like, I need to figure this out. I don't know. There's the lip gloss in here, so let's just see what the lip gloss is. What I could use for the lip gloss. Chill. Okay. I don't want to get everywhere. So my lip glosses I have are the Ulta lip gloss, purple, like light brown, gold, and pink. I'm gonna try to pop some out. I'm gonna try to get them out. I'm gonna try popping some out. Okay, guys, I'm getting them out. If you guys don't know how to use makeup, don't follow my advice. I'm warning you. You could end up in a disaster. Okay, so the lip glosses that I have are this Ulta Beauty pink lip gloss, this like brownish kind of one, this purple kind of one, and this like rose gold kind of one. So I might go with the regular pink. I think it's a lip gloss. Yeah, it's lip gloss. So put it on your lips. But this is too of like a color, like a natural color. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. First time ever, guys. Okay, so I will dip and I'll put it on my lips. Okay, I'm putting it on my lips. It's working. I'm making a mess. Try not to. Not working. Now top part. Okay, guys. I just put one of the lip glosses on me. And it was a rose gold one. So now I'm going to put it back. Guys, I don't know what these are. So comment if you guys know what they are. Because I don't, so, you know. Yeah. I know, it's sad, isn't it? I'm not a makeup artist, guys. Like, I don't know. Like, what these are. Like, I'm gonna put it on my hand, I guess. Like, look at that. I don't know what it is. I mean, I don't know. I think it's like for your eyebrows or something. Possibly. Because it says top coat. Color top coat. Powder. Yeah, it just says top coat. I don't know what that means. So, comment down below if you guys know what that means, because I do not. I know. It's sad, right? I do not know what that means. I know. Guys, don't follow advice from me. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Follow your own makeup and you'll be awesome. So here is my new look. I have the blush on and the lipstick. I feel how smooth the blush is coming off of my hand. And then lip gloss. Kind of smooth, glossy. Look at that. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And again, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a new video when I post. So guys, comment down below what you think that makeup was for. Your eyelashes, your under your eyes, blush or something. I don't know. Comment what you guys think it is. So guys, I really hope you liked this video. And comment what other videos you want me to do, because I am running out of some ideas. I might do more slime. Comment if you want me to do more slime. Give us a like if you want me to do more slime. Give it subscribe if you want me to do more makeup videos. Turn on the post notifications if you want me to do like toy videos where like I get toys and I show you them, or I show you what toys I have. So guys, do all those things, and thanks for watching this video. Bye! Love you!